The Property Protection Trust, or PPT, is a type of life interest trust incorporated into a will for couples living in England and Wales who jointly own the family home. With this type of trust, you can protect at least half of the value of the property to pass on to your children or chosen beneficiaries. This involves severing yours and your partner's joint ownership of a property into tenants in common, meaning you then own 50% each. When one of you passes away, that 50% share is ring-fenced in a trust and protected to go to your chosen beneficiaries, at the same time protecting the surviving partner's lifetime interest in the property. I speak to a lot of couples who have children from previous relationships and are in new relationships, marriages, or blended families, and they have concerns about making sure their children from previous relationships do not become disinherited. A property protection trust is an ideal solution to this conundrum. As a parent, they will be able to state in their will that their 50% of the property value goes to their children within the trust, and this would ring-fence it no matter what future relationship changes occurred. Also, many couples worry that if their partner remarries after they pass away and everything in the estate had passed to the partner, children from the first marriage or partnership could be bypassed or left out in favour of any subsequent children. Again, the Property Protection Trust will ring-fence the first children's inheritance. Another area of concern is long-term care fees. Most families are keen to pass on their family home to their loved ones. Once a share of a property has been passed to a surviving spouse or partner, there is nothing to stop the entire property value from being included in a care fee assessment, should the survivor require long-term care in the future. With a property protection trust, the share of the first partner to pass away is ring-fenced in trust. So if the surviving partner needs care, the deceased's share of the property will not be assessed as part of their estate for care purposes, and only the surviving share can be taken into account. This will ensure at least half the property value will be protected to pass to beneficiaries. Vitally, this type of trust is not seen as deliberate deprivation of assets. It is important to seek expert advice on all trusts and inheritance matters.